Hello and welcome. Today, I will tell you a calm and simple story. Please relax. Listen carefully. This is a quiet morning at work. Ayan woke up early that day. The sky was light blue. The city was quiet. He sat on his bed and took a deep breath. Today will be a good day, he said softly. Ayan worked in a small office. He was not a manager. He was not a boss. He was a simple office worker. Ayan liked his job, but sometimes he felt nervous. He did his work carefully, but he did not speak much. After breakfast, Ayan put on his jacket and left his apartment. The air was cool. The streets were calm. He walked to the bus stop and waited. While waiting, he checked his bag. Phone, keys, notebook, he said quietly. Everything was there. When Ayan arrived at the office, it was still early. Only a few lights were on. He liked coming early. The office was quiet in the morning. No phones, no meetings, just silence. Ayan turned on his computer and sat down. He opened his notebook and wrote today's date. He had an important task today. It was not a big task, but it was important to him. Last week, his manager asked him to prepare a small report. Ayan worked on it every day. He checked the numbers again and again. I want to do this right, he thought. As he worked, he heard footsteps. His coworker, Daniel, walked in. Good morning, Ayan, he said with a smile. Good morning, Ayan replied. Daniel poured some coffee and sat at his desk. You're early today, he said. Ayan smiled. I like quiet mornings, he said. Daniel nodded. Me too, he said. Time passed slowly. More people arrived. The office became louder. Phones started ringing. Ayan looked at his report one last time. I'm ready, he thought. At 10 o'clock, his manager called his name. Ayan, can you come here for a moment? Ayan felt his heart beat faster. He stood up and walked to the manager's desk. Yes? Ayan said. His manager looked at the report. He was quiet. Ayan waited. After a moment, he looked up and smiled. This is very clear, he said. Good job. Ayan felt warm inside. Thank you, he said softly. He went back to his desk. He sat down and took a deep breath. The quiet morning was gone, but something new stayed with him. Confidence. Ayan smiled and started his next task. It was just a normal day at work, but for Ayan, it was a good day. Thank you for listening. Take a deep breath and have a calm day.